If you look at a property right now, let's say it's valued at $350,000. This is the same house. If it's valued at $350,000 with an interest rate of 3%, you're looking at a principal and interest only. You're looking at a principal and interest payment of $1,244. Well, let's say the market crashes. It goes about down by 10, 15%, almost 20%. That $350,000 home is now only $300,000. Good time to buy, right? Well, the reason it went down is because interest rates went up, right? So it's a direct reflection on what's going on with interest rates. So a $300,000 home, same house, higher interest rate, higher payment. You'll actually pay more for a $300,000 home than you will pay for a $350,000 home at a lower interest rate. And these may not be exact, but you get what I'm saying here when it comes to just principal and interest. I want you to remember that. Keep that in your mind so you can talk to people. That's your pitch, okay? You always buy when rates are low, not when house prices are low. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.